Hey guys, today we'll be going over SAP Fiori on HANA sales opportunities. So we're just going to be going over a quick executive dashboard, a little bit of movement through the Fiori system on either an iPad or some sort of mobile device, your phone, or possibly even on the back end on a computer there. So what we're looking at here is just a way that when we're utilizing Fiori and HANA is it can help us understand trends and act on them immediately and make sure that we're processing and streamlining everything as best we can and to best practices and best in class industry. So multiple transactions in the Fiori system are automated, or in this solution are automated. And so it can allows key people to focus on exceptions and solve them in a way that wasn't really possible pre-SAP HANA. So what it allows them to do is use embedded collaboration tools and methods really to connect the roles and systems in just split seconds. So here we're going to identify some short-term opportunities and turn them into additional business by checking our pipelines. It'll help us streamline our production and everything, services all the way, and it's all due to the speed of HANA. So we're really just leveraging all the state-of-the-art built analytical solutions here. So what you're seeing here is the sales cockpit. So maybe an account executive would need to look at our sales dashboard, and this can be a daily update dashboard, daily use for the executive. This is one screen that could be accessed that would allow a sales executive to see all their most important KPIs. And this is just an example of a screen. It can be customized, obviously, on the Fiori platform. So what this is showing us is that our closing rate is fairly low right here. Our performance could leave some room to be desired. Really what it's telling us is that our pipeline is just too low right now. We need to get something in the pipeline and create some opportunities here. So we can call up a report just in a click that'll show us the details about the lower pipeline and what's working on the existing pipeline and what we can do to look for additional opportunities. So this one shows us our pipeline for April, May, and June, and we can see that May is fairly weak. This is a regular pipeline review. This can be done daily. This is where a sales executive can create their own reports and review statuses of opportunities, and they can use it to look for new opportunities. So what you can see here over on the left is they can customize this, the data they're receiving. They can print it, they can send it, they can download it, they can save it if they like that layout. So yeah, we can just this is a daily quick update that an executive could go into and use. So let's go home, and so we're back to our main cockpit here, and what you can see here is our news feed is telling us with a live update that Smith Inc. is planning on exchanging their car fleet for the North American sales force. And Smith, maybe they're one of our customers. So we can go in here, and it's really this is that what you weren't getting, pre-SAP HANA. This is in one click. You're getting, all your contact data, all your master data for that customer. Instead of having to go into a transaction and find it, you're getting appointments, tasks, phone calls, and emails, and everything's up to date, accurate to the second, real time. So it's really just that single screen where all the information can be found and stored. And this can also take us to right where we need to go to research products that might fit into the new car fleet over there. So we can actually go over and click on products. And this takes us into just maybe a product line that we might think, hey, we think that these guys might want some GPS, so we can expand our product portfolio by proposing to them that, hey, we know this is an IT company and that they sell IT for cars, and GPS is becoming a industry standard. So maybe this is a good idea. So we pull up a piece of data that's got GPS. We've got a GPS navigation system. So you see, again, we've got all the Nav 300 mobile. This is all the master data for this product. We've got our lists over here, and then just the general master data information containing to it. So we see this, and maybe we go, this is a promising product, and it's great for a new car fleet. So maybe we have a call with the customer and go ahead and bring this onto the agenda, and we do it for our next alignment meeting. So obviously it would show up back on the on your customer screen here for your tasks, and now we can go ahead and create an opportunity. So we'll go over here and create an opportunity. And the one thing you really need to note over here is the probability. This is just an opportunity. These are fields that you fill in, manual data entry, and it just creates an opportunity that we would save. So we can go down and save the data. And now just say that we've created the opportunity, maybe a couple weeks have passed, month have passed. And we can just, just to say during an alignment meeting with Smith, we found out, which product that they would be really interested in. And it is this Nav 300. It would be the kind of GPS system that they would be willing to buy and actually put in their cars. And so we need to select the product for the opportunity and add it to the opportunity. So this is where you would come in here, and we've got our opportunity created. This is where you'd come over here and you'd go ahead and click on your GPS system and do that. You'd get it highlighted there. And then you'd go to Actions, and you can go to Create SAP ERP Sales Order. So after traveling on site and ending up there, we have closed the deal and sold the GPS units, which would raise our pipeline and raise our sales, and that daily ticker from the Fiori dashboard would reflect that right away. Thank you.